you stink. You want to tell a Haitian they stink? Tell them this.
Talented and gifted, I guess the table shifted. Like a whole brand new bitch, busted. Bitch, I'm busted. I feel like a whole brand new bitch.
It's Cardi the baddie. I'm seeing with you hotties. What's good? What's up? It's a girly Cardi back at it again with another video. What's good? I'm so happy to be back on this channel to talk to y'all. The reason is because I know I have a lot of good stuff to show y'all. I have so much shit to show y'all. I'm not even ready for what's to come. If you have clicked this video, I want to say thank you so much for clicking on this video because it showed that you was interested in hearing what I had to say. I don't want to do a lot of talking and shit. I just want to get straight to the video because this video is kind of interesting to me. Teaching y'all something, it will benefit y'all. By the way, before I start this video, I just want to say if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I will appreciate if you will subscribe to this channel and put the bell notification on for when I post my video. By the way, I will be uploading videos on Monday and I will be uploading videos on Wednesday. Those are the 2 days that I'll be uploading videos. I'm trying to upload videos on Friday. It depends on how fast my channel is growing. Right now, I'm just sticking to Monday and Wednesdays. But let's get right into the video. I will give you guys the tools. You guys may use it however you like. But I'm here to show y'all. I'm here to tell y'all. I'm here to inform y'all. To say F your mother in Creole, you know you want to talk bad about my mother, you would say get mama.
Say what?
A person want to talk crazy, oh my god, you ugly, your mother ugly. They're going to be so pissed off when you tell a person get mama, get mama, get mama, get mama. That is the worst thing you could ever say. Haitian people don't play by their mother. Is you stink. You want to tell a Haitian they stink? Tell them this. Ou santi. You want to say you stink in Creole? Say ou santi. That simple. How to call a person ugly in Creole. To say he or she, you would say Tifi is for she, ti garçon is for boys. She's ugly or he ugly. Tifi sa led. Tifi sa led. Tifi like meaning for girls or ti garçon. You could either use either or. It depends on who you're speaking to. Ti garçon sa led. Be led passe ki sa oui. That girl ugly. She ugly. That Tifi sa led. Be led. Could never. She could never. She could never. Tifi sa led. And if you want to tell a person they face are ugly, you would say ooh led. Ooh led. Now I know y'all probably know this, but a lot of y'all be saying this wrong sometimes. But I mean that's the normal way people tell a person SMD Creole. Tell a person SMD in Creole, you would tell them this: Suce zozom.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
I feel like when you say suce zozom, it's not childish. If you say suce kuluma, you sound more tougher. You sound more gangster, you know? Okay, that's how you say SMD in Creole. If you want to call a person a hoe, if you want to call a girl a hoe in Creole, you're going to call her a coco rat. Coco rat. She's a coco rat. Hey, she's a coco rat. Hey. Look, if you want to say call a girl a hoe in Creole, you would say she's a coco rat. Simple, straight like that. Let me stop there. Did my mom see this video? She's gonna kill me. I hope y'all enjoyed this video because I really showed you how to say bad words in Creole. If you watch this video to the fullest, comment down below what words stood out more for you. Comment down below what word that you really liked. Comment down below what words you would like to know how to say in Creole. I'll make a part 2 of this video because sometimes you're in a restaurant or you're in a nail salon or hair salon, come across people that speak different languages. You don't know what the hell they be saying. They be talking shit about you. Oh my god, her face stink. You ugly. Her hair nasty. Well, that shit stops today. From now on, if you want to learn how to say a phrase in Creole, DM me on Instagram and yeah, DM me on Instagram. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like this video. Moi souhaitez nous remettre video ça. If you're watching this video, thank you so much. Regardez video ça. Merci en pile. Have a blissful day. No, stay corona free. Make sure you guys are practicing social distancing. Peace out, y'all. See y'all in the next motherfucking video. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you like and comment and subscribe, because if you haven't, it will really break my heart. Thank you guys. Make sure you follow me on Instagram also because I need to get my Instagram popping and to get my Instagram active. If you like my YouTube channel, if you're feeling my vibe, just subscribe. It's not that hard, like really. Au revoir. That means
Talented and gifted, I guess the table shifted. Like a whole